back on the Zenith Chromacolor 225 FC45. I found a used tripler in a box of triplers. I have no idea if it's good. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the line from the flyback here, and I'm going to put my horizontal circuit tester on there and see what kind of current we get. Okay, we're going to use this to check it with the transistor out, and we disconnected the lead from the flyback, and this basically hooks up to the collector, emitter, and the B+ connection of the flyback. So here we go. This will tell us everything, hopefully. Let's see, we want to do horizontal output, load test. Let's do TV, enter, looks good.
Is it able to measure like how much of magic smoke we let out in the last video?
Ooh. Touch that wire onto the tripler and let's see what the...
Oh, okay. Okay.
Goes right up to AC load, goes right up to 120 milliamps.
Okay.
So that tripler's bad, but the flyback looks good. Let's change the tripler. Okay, ring checking the flyback. It's 30 rings. Okay, hook the tripler back up. Ten rings. Here's the failure point. You can see it's burnt there. That's where the smoke was coming out. Okay, ready to touch it on there?
Okay.
Okay, we're changed the tripler. We're trying the new tripler.
Ooh, I got a little bite.
Did it shock you? Okay, yeah.
All right. Ready?
Yep. 64 milliamps. I think it was 120 with the old tripler.
Yeah.
Okay, I got some modules here, Zenith modules. I'm going to pull one of these transistors. They're the same, and put one of these in, and we'll power it up. Okay, transistor is replaced. High voltage multipliers replaced, and here we go. Alright, Chris is in the front. He's going to turn it on. We're going to try and not hope we don't fry the new transistor, and I'm going to hold this. Okay, go ahead. I didn't hear high voltage come up, did you? Transistor's not really hot. Hold on. Anything?
Is the signal source on?
No. Anything?
Not yet.
Transistor is getting kind of warm. It's possible this tripler is no good. Okay, I got the wire off from the flyback. Go ahead, turn it on. Oh, yep. I would say that tripler is bad.
Okay.
As I got a good arc there from the flyback wire to the tripler. So that was it. That was the only one we had, right? Oh, we had the other. There was another one that had different focus voltage resistors in it. Okay, here's another tripler. We don't know if this is the right one. It looks the same. Okay, I'm ready to pull it. Okay, turn it on. Hold on. I unplugged it. What the? No, the cap fell out, but there was no high voltage. That was weird sounding. Hear it? Do we have anything on the CRT? Turn the volume down.
Oh, we got the... Yeah, we got a picture. It's arcing though.
It sounds like it's arcing inside the CRT. Whoa.
Smoke?
No, the cap fell out.
You wanna... There's a false sense of security. Yeah, is it not fitting?
Hold on, I think I see what the problem is. I'm not getting this. Watch this thing shock me and... There we go. Okay, now I'm in. Okay, ready? Go ahead, power it up. Oh yeah, that sounded good.
What?
The high voltage coming up.
So there's a good history.
No, turn the brightness. You know what, the focus is going to be so far out of whack.
Why?
Because the resistors are different inside the focus, inside the tripler, so we're not going to be able to get the focus voltage. Okay. I'm going to turn the focus, okay? This thing's a trip. It's stuck in some kind of loop where it's going blue, then it gets brighter, then it goes purple. And it's stuck in a definite loop. There it goes purple, then it gets green, gets brighter, 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 and then it goes back to purple. Okay, we got a decent black and white picture here. We cannot get the color to come in at all. So we're going to take a look at the demodulator board. We're looking at the output of the 3.58 megahertz oscillator, and this looks more like a horizontal pulse to me, and it's really noisy. Okay, well, we were just kind of sitting here looking at the schematic for the Chroma module and checking the scoping the output of that and not even touching it, and it just blew the circuit breaker out of nowhere. And so I pulled the transistor, which wasn't even barely warm, and checked it, and it's not shorted, and it still blows the circuit breaker with the transistor out. Of course, it's, oh, there it goes. Doing a quick current check here with the transistor out. 3.2 amps. So something shorted.
Okay.
Just out of the blue. Secondary infant mortality. Cap's not getting warm, and you would sure think if you were driving 3 amps into that capacitor, it'd be getting hot. Okay, well, we got it going again. There's a like a 4 microfarad oil capacitor right here that must have shorted, because we found this thing was super hot, so we just disconnected it. It's part of that constant voltage transformer thing, so we will continue on with the color, no colors problem. Tested the cap, it's good. We checked the resistors, they're good. We're going to attempt changing the oscillator IC. Oh, we changed the crystal, that was good. And I just so happen to have the IC here. So I think we're going to put a socket in here, and we got an EOL we got to do, so we're going to do this and then take a break.